Welcome friends to this video. Today I will share with you how to cancel Guardio trial subscription. First step guys, go to your subscription friends. And this is the first step you need to do. Go to subscription and then go to plan option. Go to your plan, you see this option guys, like this subscription here. Click on the subscription option and then change the next plan. Click on the change on next plan. This is how you can do guys. This is most important steps. Go to turn off your subscription and then switch to basic. Click switch to basic and then click cancel your subscription. You see option like this guys. You see cancel subscription from your subscription section. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. Just click guys switch to basic, turn off your subscription, click change and turn off or cancel, and then switch to basic and then cancel your subscription. This is how you can do guys. If you have any problems, you can contact the support team and you will guide you how you can do this easily. Thanks guys for watching this video.